yo nunca vi la puerta.
Okay, there you go. Now let's play the pieces. Does anyone want to go bring a computer so we can also have a computer to start programming? This is part of a three-part project. They're supposed to build a robot and program the robot so that the robot can carry out the different tasks on the table.
What we wanted to do is use this VR. So what you do is you put a phone in here with a video that we are going to make with a 360 angle camera, and then you can see it, and so this will give the astronauts the opportunity to see their families that are on Earth.
We have also added some smells so the astronauts can feel like they're in home while they see their families.
We need to have cooperation, competition, and competition is when, like, for example, we are 3 teams, but like there's like 2 teams that help us like do things so that we have more ideas, and those teams like we can implement those ideas into the robot, and that's competition.
The values, we have to show them as we go and making the project. So we have to take pictures and notes on what we do as a team.
Someone did the idea of the VR, and then each one started giving ideas to make it better.
We're mixing our three projects into the VR. So
Doing all of this can not only the robot game, but also in the projects and all of that, that can give us an idea of things that we could do to help change the way of astronauts and the way that we travel to outer space.
And I think that it also has to do with being different and doing things that have not been done before, for example, having new ideas, and this is all about ideas.
we're not learning anyday subject like science or things like that. We're learning literally all of the subjects together in one class. And we're also having fun while doing things.
Something that I really like about learning this way is that it's a new way of learning, because you have fun while you learn, and of course at Lincoln there's that in most classes. But something that I really like about this is that you learn a ton of topics in the same one as she said, but you learn it with robotics. So you don't only learn about science and math. It's all of that together with programming a robot, which I think is a very important skill to have.
Yeah, I only wanted to build the robot to my design because my design was going to be the most efficient, and I was sure of it. And I didn't want to let anyone near the robot because I knew that they were going to disassemble it, and that I had worked really hard, and it was just me working. So I was trying to use that as an excuse when they were telling me that I had to let others work, and I was like, no, it's that they don't want to work, and they're like, it's not that we don't want to work, it's that you don't let us. So at the end, I ended up trying to taking their ideas, and at the end we all built. You learn a lot of new skills.